Hello, my name is Joseph, and I'll be doing a bike review. This is a 2012 Fit BF frame. Overall, it's a good frame. I'm not that much of a hard rider, but I would suggest it, even though it's a stock frame. Going to second, Fit forks. Pretty good forks. Revenge double wall wheel. Pretty good wheel. I would suggest it for a beginner. And here are my favorite part. Colt DeHart tires. Very squeaky, good grip. I suggest them for pro and any other type of rider. Fit stock BF headset. Stranger stem. Pretty good stem. I love it. My second favorite part, S&M. Let it focus. Full bars. 10s. Very good bars. This is my first time riding 4s, so they're pretty good. I would suggest it. Coming to the grips, I got Odyssey grips, unknown grips, I'm not sure, with Odyssey params. Get that in focus. Colony pivotal seat. I'm not sure which Colony pivotal seat, but it's pretty rough. I mean, I wouldn't suggest this. It's a hard ass seat. Eastern pivotal seat post, very light seat post. I suggest it. Odyssey twisted. I wouldn't suggest these. I mean, they're pretty good pedals, but overall, to me, they don't handle very well. They wear out really quick too, but overall they're good pedals. Eastern cranks, stock, pretty good cranks. Just a fit bottom bracket in there. Let me get on this side. Fit sprocket. This is a stock sprocket too. Pretty good sprocket. KMC chain. Overall good. Colt DeHart in the back too. Very good tire. Revenge rear cassette. Very good cassette. I love it. Both the same as the front, double wall. And here's the hub sound. Let me set my camera down. Listen, my name was Joseph, and please subscribe to me. I'm gonna be beginning to make my review on bikes, and if you guys have questions about anything, maybe leave comments about good parts I should get. You know, I need suggestions about parts I could get. I'm still beginning to ride, and maybe you guys could leave comments and maybe get in contact with me, teach me how to do tricks. Thank you. Please subscribe. My name is Joseph, and I'm out.